Okay, so you're saying that the issue is when the heating comes on, the pressure goes all the way up.
Yeah, it's like going up to the red bit.
Up to that red bit there.
And then when it comes off again, it drops down to, well, sometimes it goes off completely.
To 0, and then you have to top the pressure up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look at it then.
I'll show you this British Gas when it's on the service.
Yeah. So if look, if I put my pencil in there, there's no air coming out of there.
Okay.
Yeah. It shows that the expansion vessel is flat. Because that's flat, your pressure relief valve there is probably opening when the pressure goes above 3, and it's dumping outside. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to recharge the vessel, sort this pressure relief valve out as well. Take the head off, clean it or replace, and then give the boiler a good service.
Is there any sign of the water leaking across the...
Outside, not yet. We're waiting for it to go to 3 bar.
Okay.
Yeah, once it goes to 3, we'll know straight away. And it's not long to go till it goes 3, you can see. So the pressure's gone over 3 bar. So the heating's on. The pressure's not going higher than 2 bar now. That's the highest it's going.
Sounds like an improvement.
That's a big improvement, because before it was going just over 3 bar. That's sorted. So I've recharged the expansion vessels on the side, sorted out the pressure relief valve. But like I said, if the pressure drops again, the first thing to check is that pressure relief valve.
Yeah.
If the pressure's still dropping up and the pressure relief valve is fine, then the next thing I'll check is the radiators. But this is all sorted on this aspect here.
Oh, great.
So setting for hot water, I normally would leave this about 50 degrees.
Okay.
50 is good. The lower you can get this, the better. Yeah, so if you're happy with, having a shower in like 45 degrees or so, then the lower the better.
Okay.
But let's just say I leave it at 50 degrees. Heating, now the size of your radiators are quite decent. They're decent. So I would say eco or say 65 degrees, yeah? Anywhere between 60 and 70 is where I normally leave it, yeah? So I would say 65 degrees there. But if you find that your house is not getting hot enough, your radiators ain't warm enough, you think, then I would say just slowly turn this up by like 5 degrees or so. So I'll put it on 65, turn it up to 70, slowly just slow it up, that's it. And they're the only 2 things that I would say to keep an eye on if you want to save a bit of gas.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's a good tip.
Yeah?